his style in the things that you do.
Well, you pretend that you're at, Thanksgiving dinner,
Person who wants to jitsu.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
That's your niche. That's your niche. And because comedy is so multifaceted and ambiguous, as a comedian, you kind of have to find that niche.
In quarantine, you dream a lot about where you want to go. Where do you want to go?
For my files, if that's okay.
Yeah, please ask away.
Your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera and off.
I'm a little worried.
Take it in and push it out into the toilet.
Yeah, the whole push on out.
Okay, that worked good.
No,
And I worked in the red
Extrasensory perception.
That were washed out. They jar.
I got into composing and arranging and
Can you... You ready to...
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it for you, boy. Killing it.